Our subblocker transfer is going to be that transfer you're using on 100% polyesters. The reason for that is because it has this black backing, and if you guys had ever worked with 100% polyester garments before, what can happen is what's called dye migration. Basically what that means is when the garment is heated up, the pigments and the dyes in the garment will gas up and come through your transfer, making it look different. So a quick example is if you pressed white on a red polyester, you might notice after a couple washes or even after you press, the white's going to look pink. Long story short, this black backing is going to make sure none of this ink from your garment comes through your transfer. I'm going to press this shark transfer on the back of this sweatshirt here. So yeah, the instructions for this are going to be 285 to 300 for 10 seconds, peel warm or hot. I have noticed sometimes if you do go a little bit lower on temperature, you might need to play around with going a couple seconds longer, but that's all going to be dependent on your garment you're working with. Here is our finished Supacolor Supacolor transfer.